myself introduce. My name is Nyomi Lai. Can you call Nyomi? My date of birth is 18 April 2000. I am Buddha. I am single. My height is 170 centimeter. My body weight is 46 kg. I am four family member. They are father, mother, and me and one younger brother. My father is 49 years old. My mother is 50 years. My younger brother is 20 years old. I have experience 2 years. Take care elderly. My age 59 years. My employer family member is 5 members. They are Agon is 65 years. Ama 59 years. Sa 35 years. Man 30 years. Chai 5 years old wife. I can take a chai and OP back. I can do housework. I can do cookie with cleaning and unit. I cook Myanmar food and simple Chinese food. I can speak simple English. I am patient. I can do housework. I want to Singapore because you need money so much and I support to my family, my future and my life. I want to learn everything. It can you share. I rise my pet. Don't for listening introduce Sarah.